So when you are doing your eye makeup, you really need to pay attention to the size, width of the bristles of the brushes. Today I would be using these 5 must-have brushes from the brand Praush. So the brand Bloom is now Praush. Brush P15. It's an angular brow brush with spoolie on the other end. The bristles has been cut in such a way that it gives hair-like strokes, and the spoolie is perfect to comb your brow and give more of a natural finish to brows. Alternatively, can also be used for eyeliner application. Brush P11. It's a flat synthetic brush. The density of the bristles is so perfect to apply concealer, primer on lids, and the bristles are so perfectly precise to give you a perfect cut crease. Brush PU7 and brush P22. Both these brushes are dome-shaped and fluffy blending brushes, but you can clearly see the difference in the size. Brush PU7 is perfect for transition shade as it fits perfectly into your crease area. Brush P22. It is more dense than PO7, which is great for building up or packing your eyeshadow and give your eye makeup more depth, and it's perfect for seamless blending. Brush P19. It's a pencil smudger brush. The size of the brush is so perfect that it can emphasize every corner of the eye. Can be used for shadow application to lower lash line, highlighting your brow bone, or inner corner. The size of the bristles of these brushes are so perfectly designed, not too big, not too small. So these are like absolutely must have.